Hi, welcome to the Herbology channel. Today's guide is on sea buckthorn. These little orange berries are full of flavor, kind of like a mixture of tart gooseberry with tropical hints of pineapple and citrus. This berry is quite sharp, which some people absolutely love, but you can also combine it with other sweeter flavors like orange or apple to tone it down a bit. Sea buckthorn berries grow on a shrub which can be found around the world, especially in coastal regions. The majority comes from China, Eastern Europe and Scandinavia. Ours actually comes from Eastern Europe, where we source it from small, independent organic farms. In the recent years, sea buckthorn has become very popular. For such a small berry, it packs in a lot of nutrients and is very good for you. Firstly, per 100 grams, it contains around 8 times the vitamin C of oranges. We need vitamin C for our immune system and also to help us make collagen, which among other things keeps our skin nice and bouncy. Sea buckthorn gets its color from a pigment and antioxidant called beta-carotene. Our bodies convert beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is important for our eye health, immunity and healthy bones. What's more, sea buckthorn boasts all of the omegas, that's omega-3, 6, 7 and 9. These are all unsaturated fatty acids with benefits to our health. Omega-7 in particular is rare in the plant world, but these berries are the best plant-based source of omega-7 that we know of. Omega-7 facilitates communication between the fat and muscle tissues in our body and is also linked with good cardiovascular health. There are a few different forms of sea buckthorn you might like to try. I like to drink the juice straight, especially in the morning. It gives me a nice kickstart to my day and I know I'm getting a lot of vitamin C and other nutrients with my shot. You can also incorporate the dried berries into your baking and recipes. I like scattering them over salads and porridge. Then there's the oil, which we make from the pulp of the fruit. This is a product for you if you want to increase your omega-7 intake, as it contains 34 grams of omega-7 per 100 grams of oil. You can take the oil neat, between 20 and 40 drops per day is about right, or you can use it in smoothies. Many women take sea buckthorn oil to help during the menopause due to its high content of omega-7. You can also apply it to your skin. It makes an excellent nourishing facial oil, but be warned, it does have quite an orange tint, so you may want to mix it with a carrier oil such as almond or hemp seed oil. Finally, we have our sea buckthorn powder. It's made from the skin of the sea buckthorn berries and is rich in beta-carotene, omega-7 and vitamin E. This is just about the easiest way imaginable to include sea buckthorn in your diet. You can mix it into smoothies, yogurt, breakfast bowls, baking, you name it. So there you have it, our guide to sea buckthorn. As always, you can check out our sources in the description box below or head to herbology.co for more.